LCD Player is a broadcast control software designed by Huidu technology for LCD displays, comprehensive and easy to use. This video will introduce you the basic operations. Open the Magic Player software. Use the remote control to click the menu button, or click on any corner of the display 4 times with the mouse. Click System Mode. Set the system mode to standalone or LAN. LCD display access to LAN via network cable or Wi-Fi. Open the LCD Player software. Click the Setting button. The default communication mode is Method 1, which supports cross-network segments. Method 2 is an alternative mode that supports player upgrade. If the device is cross-segment, we need to do cross-segment IP configuration. Enter the IP address of the device to set it up. Connected devices can be viewed in Terminal Management, Management of Terminal Equipment, and Program Distribution. Click Program Management. New Program. Customize the program name and set the screen resolution. Program resolution needs to match device resolution. Click Confirm. Enter the program editing interface. LCD Player supports adding pictures, videos, text and other programs. Click on the plus sign on the right to add material. Programs can be arbitrarily dragged to change the playback position. You can also manually enter adjusted coordinates and sizes. LCD Player supports program partition playback. Click Save when you're done editing. Back to the Program Management interface. Select the edited program and click Batch Release. Check the target and device for publishing. The default update method is additional update, means new programs on top of existing programs. Complete update, it means to empty the device of the original program and keep only the new program. Click Confirm. The program will be shown on the display as soon as it is released. If different types of program rotation are required, we need to use the Mix Broadcast function. Add to different types of programs. You can change the playback order by dragging the program. Two programs can be rotated on the display after a successful transmission. In addition to the program release, LCD Player can also operate time, volume, and multi-screen synchronization on the terminal. More features for you to unlock.